are you? Okay, we're doing a review. We're doing a review of Simply Nature, organic, non-GMO, red pepper hummus. I've never had hummus. Oh, there was no safety sale or any... Oh, yeah, there is. When I first looked at it, I didn't see a safety sale. But now that I'm... Hold on. Okay, I'm doing it. Here it is. The hummus. There's no real smell. Ta-da. Okay. I have a piece of celery. I cleaned it. You ready? It looks like peanut butter. I know I double dip, but nobody here wants this. It tasted something like twice baked beans, you know. Mexican food. Is this Mexican food? I can see the red bean or the red pepper. This is good. Why have I never tried hummus? Serving. There are 8 servings in this. A single serving is 2 tablespoons. Oh, well, 2 tables, you know what I mean. Calories. In 2 tablespoons, there are 70 calories. This is not bad. Organic chickpeas, water. Organic roasted red pepper. Organic sunflower oil. Organic extra virgin olive oil. Organic sesame. I can't read that. Sesame tahia. Organic garlic, sea salt. Organic lemon juice. It's full of organic stuff. And I like it. It was very tasty. Nobody else in my family wanted to try it. Guess what? I'm okay because this can be my midnight snack before I go to bed. Is that good? I think so. I would say yes. I would try it. I got it at Aldi's. I love Aldi's. I found a whole bunch of new stuff there this past week. Okay. I have to do my stuff and go to bed because I have to get up early and take my brother to the dentist. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thumbs up on hummus.